Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we are back again to our latest weather analysis for this Tuesday to Thursday, November 28th to 30th, 2023. And this is our English version. As you can see, we are now approaching the last month of the year, December, and let's see what's in store for our weather here in the Philippine Islands. But we're glad for the past 2 months since Jenny, which moved out of the Philippine area of responsibility first week of October. We don't have any tropical cyclone formation which developed into a tropical depression within power, okay? But there's one that almost became a tropical storm, but it dissipated due to unfavorable upper atmospheric conditions. So we're lucky enough, since it's quite weird this time of the year, during moderate El Nino, we supposedly observe 1 to 2 or 3 tropical cyclones during October, November, but until now it's quiet, and we have only 10 tropical cyclones entering the Philippine area of responsibility, which might become the lowest number of tropical cyclones since record keeping of tropical cyclone began in 1945 via the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, although the Spaniards started collecting, archiving tropical cyclone formation since the 1800s, but it's not good enough to complete a record. So since 1945, we only have a number of years that we have 11 tropical cyclones, but now it looks like we are gearing towards the lowest ever, okay? So that's what climate change are all about. Sometimes the norm are becoming an unusual event. So let's hope and pray December is still clear so that we could have a great Christmas holidays here in the Philippine Islands and the Asia Pacific region. So before we begin, we would like to thank our partners, Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And also the Comunidad Climate Action Center. Just visit our website, typhoon2000.ph, click on the banner, and you will be forwarded to a Google form for you to submit. And Comunidad, headed by their representative, Iran Kabasal, will contact you for more details on the product. Okay, so let's begin now with the latest update after weeks of back-to-back shear lines, as well as Northeast Monsoon. It's starting to wane down for this week. Generally, we are going to have purely easterly wind flow across the eastern sections of the country, except for extreme northern Luzon, where the Northeast Monsoon will remain there. And we have here a frontal system which doesn't generate some shear line, but it's bringing some light rains over Cagayan Valley and Batanes, Babuyan, Cubao Islands. It will be windy here up to 60 kph and will be dangerous to small sea crafts. Okay, and also across the Panatag Shoal and the Calayan Island group along the Spratly Islands. Okay, the Spratly disputed islands. And here you can see every afternoon or evening or even in the morning there are some passing thunderstorms that is expected for the next 3 days across the Bicol region, Eastern Visayas, and Eastern Mindanao. No tropical cyclone formation whatsoever. Even low pressure areas are spotted across the Western Pacific. And if you take a look at the fast animation, so this is the latest from the University of Wisconsin tropical cyclone page. You can clearly see here some cloudiness moving across the Philippine Sea, approaching the coastal areas of the Bicol region and Samar provinces. And we have here a cluster of thunderstorms affecting the northern Cagayan area and the coastal waters of Babuyan and northern Cagayan because of the Northeast Monsoon, bringing some rains over these areas. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, here's the cloudiness generated by the Northeast Monsoon, bringing thunderstorms over northern Cagayan, as well as portions of the Babuyan Islands. Light rains, cloudy conditions will also be expected across Batanes, and it will be windy here, but mostly cloudy again on over northern Luzon because of the northeast monsoonal flow. And the easterlies are also generating some thunderstorms and rainfall across the Bicol region and eastern Visayas, as well as eastern Mindanao from Caraga down to Davao region. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas, rain gear, because for the next 3 days, this will be the general wind system that we are expecting within the week. So we are now on the wind forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. As you can see, on Wednesday afternoon, we expect the easterlies to be the dominant wind system, while the northeast monsoon is having some small break, but still affecting Batanes group. Thursday afternoon, the last day of November, still nothing changes. Easterly flow over eastern Philippines, while northeast monsoon across Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands and extreme northern Luzon. While on Friday, we are going to extend this until Friday, we have the northeast monsoon again intensifying and affecting extreme northern Luzon and the coastal waters of eastern Luzon, while Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao will remain under the influence of the easterlies, or the warm easterlies that could generate also some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. And if you take a look at the rain forecast, so this is the forecast for today. There are some thunderstorms approaching Bicol and eastern Visayas through the afternoon, and it will just pass by. And on Wednesday afternoon, tomorrow, there will be another round of some rains and thunderstorms across the Bicol region, and some localized thunderstorms over Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao. Thursday afternoon, some thunderstorms or rain showers will also be expected over northern Luzon, particularly Cagayan Valley because of the northeast monsoon, some convergence occurring here. While here over Bicol region and eastern Visayas, the rest of Visayas will also have some showers in the afternoon or evening, as well as Mindanao, particularly Zamboanga Peninsula, Soxagen area, and southern Palawan. And for the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, most of the rainfall are concentrated across the eastern and northernmost parts of Luzon because of the northeast monsoon, while over eastern Luzon, like northern Quezon, Pulilio, will be under the influence of the easterlies, as well as the eastern sections of the Bicol region. Some will also penetrate the inland areas of Bicol region, and also over eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. These are the bulk of the rainfall for the next 3 days until Thursday or Friday, as well as localized thunderstorms will be expected across central and western Visayas, and also across Sulu Archipelago and portions of Palawan. So it's mainly easterly wind flow, so expect that. We don't have any whole day of good weather, except if you're living across Ilocos region, from Ilocos provinces down to Batangas, including Metro Manila, will continue to enjoy some hot and pleasant weather. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Tuesday, November 28, and we will return in the next few days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Have a great week ahead, and thank you so much for watching our channel.